Hey guys, today we're talking about how to use that space around your fireplace. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes, and welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here you can see we have this wonderful fireplace build out, and we have the space on either side. So traditionally you'd see bookcases or bookshelves here, or perhaps cabinetry. In this instance, we've gone with something a bit non-traditional. We have this asymmetrical design with the floating shelves offset. We have a glass cabinet on the far end to display some crystal. And we have this lighting incorporated. So this gives them a really great opportunity to display the things that they love in their home. It creates a great focal point. This lighting creates a really nice accent and gives some task lighting as well. And overall makes this a really nice presentation within the home. So when you have this space around your fireplace, get creative. Think about, what can I do there? What do I want to display to my guests and to my family? And how can I use this space to better make it my own? Tune in for more updates about this project. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.